Here are 5 kittens just found in my garbage room. Someone dumped them there with their mother. The mother is outside in the garden now, somewhere in the bushes, in shock. Can you imagine someone got a mother, cat, and 5 kittens and dumped them in my garbage room? And they all have eye infections. Here they're eating ID Hills, which is very good for kittens.
They're undernourished.
What?
They're undernourished.
That's probably why they had the eye infections.
Yeah, but look at this one. I want to get that on the video.
Yeah, this is bad. Oh man. It is a very good thing I don't know who put these kittens here. Okay, there's an eye. That's all comes all the pus. You see that?
Oh yeah, I'm used to that.
These kittens probably haven't been able to see anything for many days. Well, this one looks like the eyes are pretty good. Oh no, this eye has to be removed. This is going to cost me a fortune. That eye has to be taken out by the doctor. And hopefully there's an eye in here. I can't even... It's too early to tell if some of them even have eyes at all. I don't know if there's anything in there. And the
Oh my gosh.